In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Salesforce profile view. Let's get right into it and walk through the steps you need to follow. Once you're logged into your Salesforce account, you'll typically find yourself on your dashboard or home page. This is your main hub within Salesforce, where you can access the most frequently used features and tools. From here, the next thing you want to do is locate the Quick Settings area. Generally, this is found towards the top right of your screen. The Quick Settings menu offers a streamlined way to access some of the more advanced features available in Salesforce, so it's a helpful spot to be familiar with. Go ahead and click on this menu and you'll see an option called Setup. This setup option serves as your gateway to making more detailed changes to your Salesforce environment. Selecting this option will let you proceed further into customizing and enhancing your experience. Now that you've entered the Advanced Setup section, you should notice a search bar or a quick find box. This tool is particularly useful when you need to navigate through Salesforce's extensive settings quickly. In this bar, you want to type in User Management. By doing so, it helps direct you to the specific settings that we're aiming to adjust today. Once you've typed in User Management, you should observe various options appearing below the search bar. Click on User Management Settings. This area is crucial as it allows you to modify how user profiles and permissions are configured, playing a pivotal role in customizing your Salesforce experience to your preferences. While you're in the User Management settings, you'll want to look for an option labeled Enhanced Profile List Views. When this feature is enabled, it provides you with a more comprehensive view of user profiles, significantly simplifying the process of managing and customizing user roles and permissions. To activate this feature, simply toggle the setting to the On position. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Salesforce profile view to use Enhanced Profile List Views. This enhancement should make navigating and managing profiles much more efficient, allowing for a smoother workflow and better visibility. If you have any questions or encounter any issues while making these changes, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.